Well, did it feel muggy where you were today? I mean,
You know what? I don't know how we can get away from the mugginess,
No.
Rick. I mean, Danielle, do you know where it wasn't muggy?
You know,
Good point.
maybe a land far, far away. It was muggy for everyone out there today. Definitely not our typical Southern California weather. And some of you saw some of those thunderstorms again. So let's take a look right now. This is radar over Big Bear. This cell's actually started to weaken, but it's been pretty stationary over the Big Bear area for quite a bit of time now. And it had lightning as well as hail reported over the last hour. So once again today, the threat with these thunderstorms, lightning, hail, gusty winds, and they are all, as you can see, once again today, they're pushing west. So we see them develop over the mountains, much like yesterday, and then they push over the valley areas and the coastal areas. Now, you just saw at the beach all that cloud cover. Because we haven't had as much sunshine, we haven't had that daytime heating to fuel those storms along the coast like we saw yesterday. But you could see these showers starting to push west into the Lake Arrowhead and Crestline area. And if I zoom out, you could see we still have the same setup we've been dealing with. We have high pressure kind of parked over the southwest and all this moisture coming up from our south and moving into our area. So San Diego saw a ton of those storms again today. Flash flood watches in effect for everyone through this evening. And then for some of you, they were extended until tomorrow evening. So the Antelope Valley, the IE, Riverside County, these are going to be in effect until tomorrow night. So the threat for those thunderstorms going to stay with some of us into tomorrow. In addition to that, these beach hazard statements are in effect until Thursday, until tomorrow. So it's not just big waves that are a concern, but lightning, as we were just talking about, those thunderstorms that develop offshore over the water, and then dangerous rip currents. Current temperatures, it is hot out there with temperatures in the 80s and 90s and humid with those dew points still nearing 70 degrees. And look at the winds, they're very calm. So because of that, when these thunderstorms develop, the winds aren't pushing them away and they're staying stationary over one spot. And that's why we have those flash flood watches in effect. Taking you through Futurecast, I think we'll see another surge of moisture push through overnight into tomorrow, and then another threat for those storms into your Thursday. But overall, not going to be as humid tomorrow. Here's your extended forecast. By the weekend, it's not going to be much more comfortable, cooler, less humid, temperatures back down to average for pretty much everyone. And then it looks like we are going to stay there. Not too much change as we head into next week. Pat and Rick, back to you.